Racket has the ability to make lists in a non-recursive way. That's the for command. I'm going to begin by showing you about the command for/list, and then later we can learn about other variants. First one, when you're going to use for list, you need to require Racket base, and you should do this after you set up any structures that you want. In order to get the list of numbers from 1 to 9, you would say for list, and then there's a set of parentheses and a set of square brackets, name of the variable like n, in range, and from 0 through 9 there's 10 numbers, so we say in range 10. And now we have to say what number we want to be put in the output. In my examples, I'm just going to be putting the variable in the output. We'll run it, and you should see the list of numbers 0 through 9. Not very speedy, is it? Here we go. Okay, so now how about the numbers from 10 through 19? Well, that's still going to be a list, so we use the for list command. We could use the same variable name n, but I'll change just so that the problems are a little different. There's a couple ways you could do this. You could say in range 10, and then you could add 10 to the answer. This is one definite possibility. See? Another possibility is instead of changing the answer, we could say in range with 2 inputs, start at 10 and go up to 20. We want to get 19, but the last number is not included. So we don't say 19 here. Right? Let's see if that one works. Yes, there we go. So there's two. You can use 2 numbers in range if you want a start and an end number. Because the starting number of 0 is the most common, there's an abbreviation for the starting number always being 0. Let's see. Now, the next thing you can do is you could change how much you go up by. In my list examples, I was only going up by 1. But let's say if I want to go from 20 up through 40, so that means I should go to at least 41, counting by 3s. I guess that 40 is not a multiple of 3, so it won't matter. So now what we're expecting to see is 20, 23, 26, all the way up to 38. And see the last number, which is 41, is not included. Oh, and I guess 40 doesn't really matter. Okay, how about if you want to count the numbers from 30 down? So that would be for list. Again, you can use the same variable. I'm just making an effort for variety to use different variables. In range, start at 30. I want to go through 21, so I'm going to count down to 20 and subtract 1 each time. Okay. Yep. How about what if you wanted circles? Well, that looks like a list, a radius in range 10 up, including 50. So I could say 51, go up by 10s. Circle R, outline black. So here we go. I'm expecting a long list of circles. Here we go. And lastly, so that's the end of the in range. Last step is there's a different version that you could use if you want to go through items in a list. So P in list L7. So now the variable P is a picture from the list. And I could say image with P. So let's double check and make sure this works. There. So I looked at the list L7 and went through each picture. 47 width for the hackers, 48 for the hackers, 67 for the book, 33 for the calendar, and 93 for the picture block. Hope that's a good intro for you.